Welcome to beautiful Lake Hoover here in Columbus, Ohio. And we're here just sharing God's word. You know, when I look back on that lake and I see the beautiful, calm and serene lake, I think about how when Jesus went out on the sea and he looked at that lake and he said that I think I need to go across. And it wasn't that far, just like this. But when the disciples and Jesus got up on that lake and the wind started turning, Jesus was fast asleep in the boat. But when Jesus stood up and said, "Peace be still," they became as calm as this. And I want your day to be just as calm so that you know that Jesus is in this with you. He's in the struggle with you. He's in the trial with you. He is there for you. May God bless you. Have a great and a blessed day. We're here in beautiful Lake Hoover here in Columbus, Ohio. God bless you. Peace.